So, gentlemen, as we had mentioned to you, we have Abhinav with us, and Abhinav Gupta is a graduate from FTI Pune in 2006. He joined 2006 FTI, and in a direction and screenplay discipline, and he has been working for last almost 14 years, or 12 to 14 years, I would say. So he would be a moderator for these two classes, and let's see how it goes. So, as I said, that today we have 5 to 6 assignments which we would continue. Some people could not send it. Some people could make it till last moment, just 5 minutes back. Somebody has sent it. Samya Sam Sharma. I was thinking that he would not, but he managed to do it 5 minutes before. So anyway, so gentlemen, I'm sharing the Word file on the screen, and then one by one, we will invite to whosoever has sent in that same order, and then we will go further. Okay. So Vatsala Saxena, as usual, is the opening batsman. So Vatsala, if you are around, please start reading your stuff so that you can.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Vatsala.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Okay. So should I start reading?
Yeah, please.
Yes, please.
The human wave pulsates and moves closer to the main attraction on the streets. They shout slogans for a moment, blocking out even the noise of music. Jai Bhole. The music retakes precedence. The DJ plays enthusiastically the heavily remixed. Mach Gaya
I
Shor.
would also suggest you that read little slow so that
Okay.
everybody should be able to understand what you are speaking. You know,
Okay,
it's
sir.
always a good idea. It is a very important thing when you do a presentation to anyone. Speak a little slower so that you are not in a hurry to catch a train, right?
Yes,
Yeah, and Vatsala, one more thing. If you
yes,
could
sir.
just begin with the question once, so that we're
Yeah.
all clear and what are you really trying to answer, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Write about the specificities in terms of audio-visual image of various elements of the folk festival and the range of collective emotions expressed through the festival. Why do you think it is different from other similar festivals? So my answer, the human wave pulsates and moves closer to the main attraction on the streets. They shout slogans for a moment, blocking out even the noise of music. Jai Bhole. The music retakes precedence. The DJ plays enthusiastically the heavily remixed. Mach gaya shor, sari nagri re, sari nagri re. Aya biraj ka baka, samhal teri gagri re. With this song, everybody knows that the main star of the event is the Bal Gopal, the adorable, playful baby Krishna. The excitement is palpable. Some college girls demand a song change. Bhaiya, this song has already been played 3 times. Play Go Go Govinda. People of all ages, families, bachelors, servants, masters are dancing. At the center of the focus is the colorfully painted matki pot. It hangs from a thick rope between two poles. A human pyramid group, Govind Pathak, faces the task of breaking the matki. A figure climbs the shoulders of his kin on the ground. Slowly, meticulously, he finds his way to the top with a keen determination in the eye. The earthen pot breaks, spilling dahi, curd, makhan, ghee, sweets, and nuts on the leading figure and the backs of those below. People gasp and cheer. This festival is unlike others as it requires close teamwork, coordination, and most importantly, trust and brotherhood. The lower tiers must be prepared to bear the brunt of the weight on their shoulders. An energetic child has to be the one to climb above. No Tom, Dick, or Harry can suddenly form a human pyramid and start climbing. The Dahi Handi event requires constant and meticulous practice. Thus, it has entertainment value and is a sport in itself, though also replete with symbolic meaning. The story is of baby Krishna finding creative ways of stealing butter, though Yashoda hangs it out of reach.
Yeah.
Okay. So, you are trying to suggest about this particular festival. What exactly, Vatsala, do you think the question was? As in, are they looking for a particular festival, or is it in reference with or in comparison with some other festivals? Because the last question, the last line, if you see, why do you
Yes.
think it is different from the other similar festivals? What do you think are they trying to get at?
I think they're trying to ask what makes this festival unique and the description of the festival also in terms of the audio-visual images.
Okay. So what I gathered from whatever you read is you have beautifully defined a moment from the particular festival, right? But that element, which is where they are kind of trying. See, they're not. I don't think they're interested in a particular festival. What they're interested in is how do you create that world. How do you create a world uh, uh, keeping in mind or pivotal to a particular festival, right? So that festival is important, of course, but not so important. The world that you create is more important. While and at the same time, how does it differentiate or how does it create a different world or unique world altogether in comparison to other festivals, similar festivals that may be happening in your area, right? So that I think there's a slight change of perspective, perhaps. So you have to be a little careful when you are assessing the question. हम लोग का
Right,
होता है कि we tend to get swayed away. I think थोड़ा सा calmly question को समझ करके and then try to answer the question. So I see.
right,
So I'm not contesting what you've written. It's absolutely fine. But I think the perspective should have been a little different from what you've arrived at right
right.
now. So
The
I
thing is, sir, that I feel like this festival is like completely different because there's no other festival which requires that much teamwork and coordination. So
right.
that's what I tried to highlight
तो
here.
तेरे को तो तुम्हें फिर ना वो चीज को थोड़ा सा और एक्सप्लेन करना चाहिए
Yeah,
कि हाउ इज इट डिफिकल्ट और हाउ इज इट डिफरेंट the sheer fact that there are like hundreds of people trying to gather and become the pyramid of it's
yeah.
nowhere else that happens in on earth actually something like
Hmm.
that. So that makes it different. So maybe highlighting that how it's more and how maybe things go wrong.
Yeah,
Things may go wrong and they don't care. They want to do it just for the sheer fun of doing it. I remember we were doing it once in FAI, and one of my juniors he broke his shoulder. In fact, got dislocated. He
yeah,
fell off directly. And it was
yeah. The
so all of these things do happen. But कोई और festival में ऐसा होता है कि maybe that the other festival in Spain where या फिर Jallikattu करके एक festival है where they fight the bulls and all. So you can try and
right,
compare these elements, how people take the charge and challenge. But still, this one is far more unique, or because it's supposed to be far more collaborative, a collective kind of achievement where this festival.
right.
So those things become more important than certain other. So बाकी अच्छा है यार. I mean, I think you've beautifully summarized the festival. But my only point is कि थोड़ा सा careful
Yeah,
रहना. You have to be a little more careful. कि what exactly are they hinting at or trying to get at?
yeah. Thank you, sir. I'll keep it in mind for next time.
Yeah, yeah. So the second part.
Mention about at least a character with details of gesture, speech, performance, expression, emotion, whom you have seen repeatedly appearing in the festival. So I've written a little bit more of my personal experience, but you can guide after I finish reading. Okay. The lead climber of the Govind Pathak group has to climb the shoulders of his comrades and reach the top of the human pyramid to break the earthen pot. He is well trained in acrobatics, has a light body, and wears a cherry red chicken curry kurta and jeans. His group calls him Feather Light. He's only an adolescent. He tucks a peacock feather in his red and gold devotional headband and begins climbing. His wheatish webbed foot rests on his brother's shoulders. Probably the webbed foot toes give him a better grip. He rises rapidly for the next few seconds, wobbles and stops. All this while he hasn't taken his eyes off the prize, the matka. As he gets closer to it, he tells himself, Kila Fateh karna hai. The conqueror of the court attains victory. Sweat breaks out on his temple. I have to do this for my team. Finally, he is at the top. There's nobody above him save for some crows. They are flying in circles in the crisp blue sky. He takes out a basuri flute from his pocket. The moment of truth has arrived. He grits his teeth, throws his arm back, and smashes the pot. Curd, butter, ghee, sweets, and nuts momentarily spill out on his collar and torso. He temporarily loses balance, extends his arms into space, and crouches. The crowd and his group breathe a collective sigh of relief as he stabilizes himself. Now he must come back to earth. He is all grins. His teammates keep delivering words of encouragement. As he puts his feet on the ground, married men pat him on the back and congratulate him for his record-breaking feat. It's nothing, he says, self-effacingly and humbly. I lost my balance for a moment. I will practice more for next year. People laugh.
Very nice. Okay. So, even nice, sir. Could you just go scroll up maybe once? Okay. So, it's very nice, well written. I think you have very good kind of command over, writing passages. But okay. पहले तो ये बताइए, this is what 300 words roughly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अच्छा, and the earlier one, the first part, that was
Also 300.
okay. So यहाँ पे you see, there's a very interesting thing that's happening. We have to be a little smart also, right? It says mention about at least a character with details of gesture, speech, performance, expression, emotion. वो 5 elements तो उन्होंने ऐसे दे दिए. तो 5 elements दिए हैं. अभी if they have mentioned these elements, and you have to be very, I think you should be very specific about these elements. So you touched upon speech, and which is like fine. I mean, like at times he's thinking internally, and at times even he's speaking it out, which is fine. Gestures you've touched, performance, expression, emotion. Now, इनको ना ये थोड़ा से ऐसे muddy space में है. You can't really differentiate from each other, but you have to be very careful when you are defining these um, expressions, right? You have to make it very specific because they have asked it so.
Right.
वो you can't be in the कि कहीं तो बीच में हाँ ठीक है आपको समझ में तो आए almost so to say कि आपने underline किया देखो ये expression वाला part है देखो because देखो यहाँ पे क्या है ना they are once again it's a very calibrated kind of a question, right? Nice, sir. How much would this question carry?
It was roughly, I would say, 7 marks or 8 marks, so probably 10 marks each.
Okay, cool.
There was a time when they keep changing the pattern. So normally, depending upon the marks and the space given, I always tell them how much is the space offered to you, or how many are the marks.
Right.
Sometimes they mention the words, but sometimes they don't. If they don't mention the word, go by the marks and the space available, and accordingly you describe.
Right. So ये तो actually देखिएगा ना तो it's a very easy thing because they've already kind of helped you with giving that you with 5 different elements that you have to tap on, and you can go even beyond that, right? So you have to maybe somewhere in the mind while you're planning the answer, divide the thing accordingly, and create a kind of a sketch in your mind, and then pen it out so that clarity it should be very clear. Now this time I'm talking about speech. This time although you're writing it in a kind of a passage, story, literature kind of a thing, so it will tend to have an overlap or once or twice or maybe a couple of times, but that's okay. But still when we are reading, it should be very clear. Okay, this is what maybe you're trying to achieve, or maybe it could be a mixed kind of a thing, but whatever you say should be very specific. Although you have done a very good job, I would say. I don't really mind whatever you've done. I'm just trying to help maybe go beyond this.
So if we like divided it among the paragraphs, maybe it would be better, something like that.
Big. I wouldn't suggest doing that because at the end of the day you're writing a story.
Yes.
And although ये सब तो guiding elements दिए हुए उन्होंने, लेकिन एक story का अपना एक format होता है, right? And you have to kind of stick only when you feel that you need to change up a paragraph here because maybe there's a change in the mood or change the space or whatever. There's some change that is happening in the narrative that you should change. Ideally, you change the paragraph, right? Or you're changing the perspective, then you change the paragraph, right? So I think you should stick to that format of storytelling. But at the same time, in doing so, you need to be specific at times because ये question का form requirement ही हुआ है.
Right. And actually, sir, you are right that there's a little bit like muddiness in expression, emotion. So there is a little bit of overlap, right?
Yeah, exactly. There will be because वो question का अंदाज ही वैसा है. You can't help it. But yeah, you have to do your best. You can't. You have to be very clear. भैया मैंने तो किया. बाकी अब आप समझो क्या कर सकते हैं.
Right.
So yeah. So I think anything else that you may want to ask on these two?
Sir, like maybe at the end, sir, you could share what festival you are thinking of in your mind, and we can discuss.
That will not help you out, because I might think of a Holi of Vrindavan, for example. You know,
Right.
that is
Yeah.
my fascination with that Vrindavan Holi, which is a Latmar, and it keep going on for a month and all that. But not necessarily, if you have not seen it, you will not be able to understand it. Something which you have observed closely will be more helpful for you. So write
Right.
about your personal experience rather than what people say, or something which you have seen on the screen or somewhere or other, so that you can describe it better. So I think this is much better thing. We can move to the C section.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay. Create a small narrative situation of interest, including dialogues and other necessary details around the festival. It can be based on true incidents also. The first group stares at the matki pot for a long time. Na ho paega. The oldest shakes his head. The others agree and squeeze out of the crowd. Nobody encourages them to try. They are least bothered and only excited about their dancing and fun. Many teams come. Chalo try kar lete hai. In the end, only the top two teams have yet to try. The team from Powai has been consistently losing to the team in Thane for the last 5 years. Every time they return to their locality, they receive galis, insults and kicks to their backsides. हमने इतनी मेहनत करके इम्प्रूव किया है, तुम्हें क्या लगता है दूसरी टीम ने कितना इम्प्रूव किया है? The second oldest of the Powai team instantly cuts down their stock. He has fear written on his face but doesn't want to show it with all his bluster. The oldest looks at him with a moody look. इस बार किसी की हड्डियां मत तोड़ दियो, he says surlily. Last year he fell from a great height and suffered a fracture. He was in the hospital for 6 months while the second oldest remained admitted for 3. The newest recruit, a child that they scouted and have been training, suddenly burst into a fit of giggles. आप शादी कर लो भैया, आप बूढ़े हो रहे हो. This accusation is a sore point for the two. Both stand and stew in each other's brain juices for a while. सच बोलूं तो हम दोनों ही सीरियस है इस मटकी फोड़ को लेकर. अगर इस साल नहीं हुआ तो मम्मी नहीं करने देगी. हर साल पूजा और व्रत रखती है. The second oldest says. The oldest unexpectedly brightens and says what many before him have already said. चलो try करते हैं.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Interesting. My only observation here is, whenever you're writing something like this, try to give your characters names. It's very important because the reader, and it could be anybody, it could be your audience, it could be anybody. Like this time, it is going to be your examiner or the one who's checking you on, right? But he needs to get associated with your story as early as possible, from the very first word, maybe. So
Right.
so giving them names helps you connect your story to the reader. And देखो और एक चीज क्या है ना, what I think, and Naresh sir could be like, I may be wrong, you can point me, correct me if I'm wrong. See, what they are trying to get at, with these kinds of questions is not your understanding of a festival or a particular festival or something, but more how do you create that space? How interesting, how wild your imagination is. Yeah. How beautifully can you, can you
Yeah.
weave your narrative? That is what is becomes very important. And एक और बात क्या है ना कि see, we here you got the entire day to construct this answer, right? वहाँ पे perhaps you will be given what 15 minutes for the answer. I think so.
Right.
15-20 minutes, right? So you have to be very very fast with your imagination. At the same time, you have to have this control, and so yeah, make it as interesting as possible.
Right.
As
Right.
interesting. It could be just two people talking all nonsense, nothing to do with the festival, but that nonsense has to be interesting, right? And
Yes,
it has
I
to be so interesting that the reader gets totally engrossed in the story. So that is what is more important. And you've done a good job. I mean, like it's fine. It's absolutely good. You can do much better, is what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
Nothing
Next
to
time
tell.
I'll try.
Yeah. Please.
Because what Vatsala is trying to say is that it is a dialogue exercise. They have very clearly mentioned the question: create a small narrative situation of interest, including dialogues. So
Right.
basically, they want this to be a dialogue of the 2 or 3 people, whatsoever is happening.
Yeah.
Right.
Which is, if you look into any screenplay, any screenplay, what is there? Person A, person B, person C, person A, B, C. So it's basically dialogues of that. And you can briefly describe whatever is the situation.
Right. Right.
That is what they are looking, which you have done it, but not into the format of a screenplay.
Right.
Format is
Actually,
what they were
uh,
also looking
yeah. So, sir, I didn't know actually reading the question that we have to write the proper format, but I could have done that.
No, you could have done it. That's what he said, that character's name,
Yeah.
A, B, C, D, whatever it is. So in the beginning of the paragraph, you could have described that this is a situation where so and so person are talking about this, and then their name. You have given an introduction of the situation, the characters, the introduction, or into 4 or 5 lines, and then the character A, B, C, and whatever it is.
Okay.
Which you have already
And
done it in comma, inverted comma. It is nothing but the dialogues, But a format would have
Right.
been given a better look, more a professional look, I would say.
And if you
yes,
know the
sir.
format, then you must use it.
No, I knew it, but I didn't know I have to use it in this question. So next time I'll use it.
Whenever you get a chance कि ऐसा कुछ लिखना है,
See,
don't
next
miss out.
never comes in the examination. There is only one chance.
Yeah,
The
exactly.
advantage that you people have practiced it. That's why, see, we could have written something and presented to you, and that's it. But it
Right.
will help only when you write something and you figure it out what is the flaw. And
Sir, I have another doubt, sir. Sir, in my question, I have written in other dialogues in Hindi because I thought that they are
fine,
from
it's
humble
fine.
background.
See, whether you write in Hindi or it is in this kind of Hindi, it is equally good. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Even if you use a Devanagari Lipi of writing it, if you look it carefully, FTI says that you can use Hindi or English also as a medium. So they expect whosoever is going to check the paper, they understand Hindi also as well as English. Or if somebody don't understand, then they will not allocate that paper to that person.
Okay. So, sir, we can even mix the Hindi and English.
Yeah,
Is
yeah.
that allowed?
Absolutely. See, the idea is to convey.
Right.
In fact, all the more FTI वाले space में तो all the more कि तुमको तो convey करना है important and कैसे भी करो. Language is not important. Your test of language is not important. Okay, Samya Sen Sharma is asking Bengali. Okay, this is very interesting. Nice, sir. In fact, what I understand, in fact, in my times, that we were told that you can even write in your regional language.
Correct.
Your answers.
Correct.
In fact, they will allocate your answer sheets to those regional specific.
Today, if you look into the instruction of the FTI entrance exam, it very clearly demarked either English or Hindi. That's it.
Oh, acha.
Very clearly demarked. Maybe once you qualify the written and when you go for the interview, and if somebody is a Bengali language guy and you also know Bengali, maybe they would say, okay, you fine, you're right. But normally they don't encourage this thing because then you are in a very subtle manner. Somebody is trying to influence because of his language proximity.
Okay, right.
They don't encourage any other language except English or Hindi.
And बहुत लोगों के साथ होता है ना कि they are not very good at English or Hindi.
Yeah, but then they can speak out in a certain thing. But I suppose that anyone today come from any background, particularly in a country like India, the second language is your English. Sometimes you would say it is the first language.
हाँ, और मैं ये बोल रहा था just to add to what
Kerala will not be knowing Hindi, but he is supposed to know the English for sure.
Right. No, what I am also trying to suggest, sir, कि even if you're wrong, if you grammatically not very correct, that's okay.
That doesn't matter.
It doesn't really matter at all. You just need to convey. Yeah.
So Durgeshwari, now you speak.
Bye, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Vatsala.
Anji.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
The Koli festival is celebrated in a grand manner every year. It is believed that after this day, the wind and the sea waves favor fishing in the deep seas. The whole Koli community cherishes this day as the onset of a fresh new season. They pray to the sea god and the boats are treated sacredly. The community offers coconut to the sea on Nariyal Purnima by carrying the coconut in a decorated palki by men of the Koli community, accompanied by the rhythmic beats of dhol and tasha. Men and women are dressed in vibrant and colorful traditional Koli clothes. The women wear colorful veni in their hair and traditional jewelry. One of the most important parts of the festival is the Koli dance. Their dance forms include elements of sea and fishing. It is a homage to their occupation. The dancers of the community perform in unison and portray the movements of the boats and waves while dancing. They dance on popular Koli songs like Me Hai Koli Sorelya Hori, which are played on loudspeakers. Boats at the seashore are decorated with garlands and colorful embellishments. There is a range of emotions to be witnessed by the Koli community. The entire Kolivada expresses its gratitude to the sea. They are in high spirits, enjoying, dancing merrily, singing, happy, energetic, and making the whole environment vibrant and joyful. They welcome the new fishing season with prayers for their safety at sea. It is different from other festivals because it is a community based festival of Maharashtra. It is a festival celebrated to pay homage to their profession. It marks the beginning of the fishing season. So, can you please scroll? The folk dance of the community, Koli dance, is performed during this festival. It is a festival where the community prays for the safety of the fishermen at the sea.
Okay. Okay. I think you've just done a very good job by pointing things out as per the, breaking things
That is,
down as per the question
that is what
requirement. And
we always encourage them. Whatever you want to express, try to put them in a point form so that
right,
it's very clear to the examiner that this person has a 4 points to talk, or a 5 points to talk, or 3 points to talk, rather than beating around the bush. Because
right.
many a student do the beating around the bush. They have only 1 point, and in a very flowery language, they say the same thing again and again and again and again. That way, you have an edge over other people when you write in something in a point form.
Point wise. So, yeah, I think it's very clearly written. I don't know if it is 300 words or more. You will check.
It's perfect, I suppose.
Okay, cool. So, अच्छा यार. I mean, I think what else? How could you have maybe uh, bettered it?
She has
Maybe.
already mentioned about the song also, the
Yeah.
specification and some visuals in terms of how
Yeah,
they
yeah.
play and dance. I think it is very visual description in many sense of the
Yeah, yeah. And in fact, even in the sound she has described. In fact, where you mentioned the song, somewhere.
Whole Tasha and loudspeakers,
No,
the
the
folk
words,
songs are played.
the lyrics of the song. Somewhere you
Yes,
mentioned.
yes, yes.
So maybe
Me
what you
Hai
can do
Koli.
also is in the brackets you can also translate it as to what does it really mean.
Okay, okay,
That's the most you can
correct.
add.
okay,
And,
okay.
People don't understand Marathi.
huh. And you never know, your examiner or the one who's checking could be coming from any other corner of the
Right,
country.
right, right, right.
So, so nice, yeah. I mean, I think it's a very well drafted kind of a thing. I think, yeah, nothing.
Okay. Mm.
In fact, just one curious question, Durgeshwari.
Yes.
Is there any other festival which is like very close to what the Kolis do, at least in India? Like it's a fisherman festival, it's a coastal region festival. So we have a huge coastal area. So like somebody from somewhere from Chennai maybe, or some Tamil Nadu or Kerala. Is there any other tribal group or community which celebrates something like this, similar to this? Do you know
Uh,
that?
in Maharashtra or
No, no,
outside?
outside Maharashtra.
I think in Kerala they celebrate.
Okay. So,
I'm not
so
sure, but I've
okay,
seen the videos and I've
okay.
heard from my friends, but I'm not sure of the name and I'm not getting it.
ठीक है. If you're not sure, तो ठीक है. But if let's say you knew something, so you should have mentioned that there is a similar thing that happens
Okay.
elsewhere also. Maybe as if
Like
yeah,
kite
how's it?
festival, kite festival happen more or less everywhere, but kite festival of Ahmedabad has a different feel altogether.
Exactly.
Right.
Right.
Like
Okay,
every Dominic and Harry will fly a kite on 15th August on their roof, but the kite festival as such
Festival, yeah, exactly.
is a different thing.
Yeah. True.
I'll
It has a very
mention
different,
that point also then.
If there is,
if at all. देखो अगर नहीं पता है आधा knowledge है तो उल्टा मत ही करो.
Okay, fine.
You're not very clear about something, so I would ask you to refrain from something. But if let's say you have an understanding, you know something which is very, because all the more because they are also asking to differentiate from a similar festival.
Right. So,
So you can actually, in fact, you don't know. You have you answered that?
Because I was wondering which all festivals to include, because they have specified folk festival.
Ah.
So I was
Why
reluctant to
do you think?
include.
Why do you think it is different from other similar festivals? Similar festival का मतलब सपोज जैसे कम्युनिटी का फेस्टिवल, एक छोटा कम्युनिटी है, ये जो होली कम्युनिटी है, कोई बहुत लंबा चौड़ा कम्युनिटी नहीं है, जैसे जैन हुआ, जैनियों का कम्युनिटी है,
हाँ,
या
हाँ,
हिंदुओं का कम्युनिटी है, या मोमडन कम्युनिटी है. इट्स नॉट अ वेरी बिग कम्युनिटी, इट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल
yes,
टाइनी कम्युनिटी. सो ऐसा
yes.
छोटा मोटा और कोई है तो उससे डिफरेंट कैसे हो सकता है? दैट इज द होल पॉइंट.
Okay, okay. I'll mention that if I found out something about it.
Right. So should we move ahead then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Next.
Meenu is a 69-year-old fisherwoman in a Rani pink color Nawari sari. A yellow color veni decorates her tresses. She is wearing the traditional Koli jewelry. Her front teeth are missing and fine lines of wrinkles cover her face. Her hands are worn out due to continuously being at work at the shore and fish market past 53 years.
Mhm.
The crowd cheers her to come and dance, but she is reluctant at first. Looking at the face of her granddaughter, who is a month old, she joins the group to do the Koli dance. She tucks the pallu of her sari around her waist, and in unison, she portrays the movements of the boats and waves. Soon she is in the middle of the crowd, dancing as though nobody is watching her. Lip-sync the folk song Me Dolkara Dolkara Daryacha Raja, she mimes to act like the king of the sea. Through her expression, she offers her gratitude to the sea. With every Hey Rama, she lifts her hands up to the sky with a twinkle in her eye. Camera flashlights falling on her, and she suddenly realizes that all our eyes are on her and cheering her. She blushes and covers her face with her hands to give a quick glance at her husband, who has been smiling at her all this while. The crowd clapping and applauding her, and just then her husband requests her to sing a folk song, Me Koli Ahe. With a shrivel in her voice, she sings like a koel, and her lips not having the support of her teeth, she looks adorable with a charm on her face.
Okay. So I don't see anything wrong with what you have written. But again, my only thing is ki it was not. See, you have to also understand, if I'm reading, if I'm the answer, checking the answers. If I'm reading like at least 1,000 papers or whatever, 500 papers have come
Right.
my way, and so 500 stories. So until your story is really exciting, really captivating enough to capture my attention, I may not, I may fail to get into it immediately. So you
Okay.
may have to be a little smart here. You know,
Okay.
make from the very first line or second line. You have to get your audience indulged into your writing. इसको कोई और उपाय नहीं है, मतलब नहीं तो फिर वो एक बार slip हो गया तो ऊपर ऊपर पड़ेगा. I mean, your write-up is pretty nice. It's a very good moment of a particular character. But I guess not so very interesting enough still,
Okay.
right? So I don't know what will you, what changes will you do, or maybe how do you arrive at this woman? Maybe the story is the same. How do you open your story? How do you get to this story?
Okay.
Should be a little different, maybe, so
Okay.
that the first paragraph, couple of lines, and I'm totally into it.
Right. Right.
So that is something you have to. Other see, it's not wrong. What you've done is not wrong. I'm just
Right.
trying to suggest that perhaps a little more uh, charming, a little more interesting.
Agreed. Agreed.
That
Agreed.
that. So.
Okay. Okay.
And have
I'll,
you
I'll,
kind of captured all these 5 different elements that they have asked for, like speech? I don't remember her talking something.
no, I instead of speech, I made her sing.
Okay. Singing will not be kind of very much like speech. Singing is like
Okay.
more to do with expression and emotional outburst. You see that?
Right. Right.
Speech is like, you suddenly say, oh, she says, बगल में कोई बैठी थी, she just gave her that टोकरी to that lady. ये पकड़ जरा मैं आई.
Yes.
And
Right.
then she gets into this dance and singing thing. So that
Correct.
one line that she utters, "Ye pakad zara main aati hu," that becomes a speech.
Okay.
So, Dukeshwari, what is, if you look into carefully, I again read this question's intention. It is more of a kind of a performance, performance kind of a actor or performance kind of character, not actor. They are looking for you to spot. There are
Mhm.
some people who are little performing kind of people. They will play, they will do something, they will speak some dialogue, they will enact something. So they
Mhm.
are looking for that kind of a character to be zeroed in and to describe that in your flowery language.
Okay.
Good or
So
not?
it shouldn't be exactly like they are performing, but then it should be in their
So you could
characteristics.
dramatize it also. You could dramatize
Yeah.
it also.
Nee, what Naresh sir is saying is something else, Durgeshwar. What he's saying is performance, matlab ye nahi ki they're performing, but there are people who
Yeah.
want attention, when
Yes,
especially
yes,
when they are
yes.
in crowds, right?
Like in our
Correct,
school,
correct.
there are many teachers who teaches us, but we remember only few because they were the characters.
Yeah,
Right,
exactly.
right,
Your
right, right.
class also, among the 40 girls and boys, how many students do you remember from your 12th standard class? Think today. Except your 2-3 friends, you will remember only the one who was a character.
Yeah,
Correct, correct, correct.
So what makes him a character?
true.
That is what they are looking at it.
Right.
Okay, okay. Right, sir. I'll keep that in mind, sir.
Something interesting, something unique, something which you remember for after 20 years
Yeah.
or 10 years or 5 years or whatever. You don't remember each and everything after 5 years. You remember something very specific people only.
Yes, true, sir, true.
Okay. Move to next one.
The entire community is going with the procession, accompanied by the dhol and tasha. Chandu is carrying his 10-month-old daughter Aradhya and shows her the glitterati of the festival. A loud drum beat next to them, and Aradhya starts weeping bitterly. He rushes her home. His mother is there in their small kholi, looking after their eldest daughter Khushi, who suffers from autism. He asks his mother, "Where is Vaishali?" She said she went an hour back. I thought she has come to you. He asked her to make Aradhya quiet, but in vain. He went to the neighbors asking if Vaishali had come. They told him that they had seen her near Dilip's office. Dilip is the local corporator of the area. He goes to Dilip's office only to find out that Vaishali is not there. On the way back, a friend of him tells him that he saw Vaishali dancing with Tai, Dilip's wife, earlier in the procession. He goes to their house, which is above the office. Sir, please, can you scroll? He calls out from out Vaishali, but because of the loud dhol sounds, his voice is not audible. He pushes the door and finds it locked with a chain from inside, which, when removed by hand, can open the door. He opens the door and calls out to Vaishali again. Only a zero bulb is lit, and hence it's quite dark inside. He is about to turn and leave when he hears a sound coming from the kitchen. He goes to the kitchen only to find out Vaishali and Tai in an intimate position. He is dumbstruck. Just then, from the corner of her eyes, Tai sees Chandu and pushes Vaishali away from her. She puts on the tube light. Vaishali looks at Chandu and fixes her sari. Her mouth dries up. As she is about to talk with him, that he leaves the house in a hurry. He climbs down the stairs to come across an anar, firecracker, being lit in front of him. Children burst loud firecrackers, and he is unable to hear the sound within him as well as outside. He simply stands still.
Okay. Okay. I loved it. I loved it. Could we just read the question once? Durgeshwar?
Create a small narrative situation of interest, including dialogues and other necessary details around the festival. It can be based on true incidents also.
Okay. So what you have done wonderfully here is without using too many dialogues, you've achieved certain emotions. That is one part of it, right? Which is a nice thing, which is a very interesting thing that you do. The other thing about the dialogues, because they are specifically mentioning including interests, including dialogues and other necessary details, right? So if there is a mention of dialogues, whatever that they have specifically mentioned, you have to, I don't remember coming across except for once he asks, "Where is your mother?" Right. So वो
Yes.
भी जो when he's asking, "Where is your mother?" I don't know. Nahi sir, it's more like it's a third person statement there, right? Instead of him being coming in the first person, instead of
Okay.
you
Okay.
writing, he asks his mother. It's more like a piece of literature that you've written, right? But I think maybe yahan pe you should have transformed and made the characters speak for themselves
Okay.
instead of you conveying what they are saying as a writer.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So this is what my personal opinion is. I don't know.
Like an interactive thing between the two.
Right. So
And
यहाँ पे
even
अभी
when he meets his friend in the next thing, there should have been a conversation between them.
perfect. Absolutely. थोड़ा सा brief
Okay.
conversation must have been there. All that
Okay.
you could see, whatever you could do without talking is good, is very good. But
Okay.
at least certain moments where it is very much necessary, you must include couple of lines here and there.
Because they have
Mm.
told you to include dialogue. So what
Yeah,
we
all the
Right.
look at
Right,
is
sir.
dialogue writing ability is also in this situation. Besides the
Okay.
visual description, which is the primary thing. When we talk about the screenplay writing, screenplay writing in a one word, if you ask a master statement or a Brahma Vakya, it is how to write it visually.
Okay.
How to write it visually, how to make a short film visually without any dialogue. But it does not mean they hate that dialogue. But to make it universal, the visual is the language. Why
Exactly.
they say Chaplin is the greatest filmmaker till today? Why? Because he's a visual.
Yes. Right.
His films are being enjoyed by the kids as well as the scientists.
Correct.
Intelligentsia and innocent people who are least bothered about the intelligence and intelligentsia also, because there is a thought behind it. Why intelligentsia enjoy? Because there is a thought behind it. It is not just a comedy happening. There is an intellectual feedback or some undercurrent or subtext involved into that visual, which is a humorous for kids, but for intelligent people, it says much more than that also.
Yes, sir.
So that's it. So when they specifically ask you to include dialogue, few lines, maybe 3-4 lines, and that's it.
Okay.
But otherwise, it seems fine, as Abhinav has told, that it is equally good. So it's wonderful. Just some format of the script, dialogue of 3-4 people, 4 lines, 5 lines, but interesting. Not just, see, there is a difference. Okay, there is a conversation and there is a difference between a dialogue. What you have at the tea stall is a conversation. Nobody remember what you talked and what he talked until unless you have a heated argument. Then it becomes an argument.
Okay.
Otherwise, it should be a dialogue means which you remember.
Okay.
I'll just quote an example for the benefit of everyone. Many years back, I saw a film called Ketan Mehta's Mirch Masala. Many years back means almost 25 years back.
Yeah.
There's a particular scene when Benjamin Gilani comes over there to complain to the Naseeruddin Shah that his horses has spoiled the whole thing, and they have entire village they have disturbed and all that. So he's busy listening to his record. He's with his villagers. Villagers is kind of a worship. The first time in their life is listening to the record. Some voice is coming from some machine, and they are all mesmerized and hypnotized. And this guy comes with some fucking complaint about the horses, that your horses has done this, that. There is a schoolmaster, So he says, Nasir is very interesting in that particular sequence. He says, who is this guy? Kaun hai? So then one of the villagers says, अरे वही खादी वादी, मतलब खादी वादी, वादी मतलब इज्म वाले लोग, खादी इज्म वाले लोग, और जैसे हम बोलते हैं अरे कुछ गाना वाना सुनाओ, तो गाना वाना छोटा मोटा, तो in that sense of the term this is very appropriate. खादी वादी type लोग हैं, मतलब खादी and wadi becomes important here, not just an additional word but wadi. So he says, oh, acha. And then there is an interesting dialogue. Now dialogues come. He says, देखिए आपके घोड़ों ने क्या कर दिया. Dialogue is, he says कि देखिए आपके घोड़ों ने क्या कर दिया. Nasir says, गधा, घोड़ों की शिकायत करता है. मतलब you are a fool, गधा. और घोड़े मतलब हम लोग, घोड़े मतलब हम. So I picked up this from his sentence that तुम्हारे घोड़ों ने देखो क्या कर दिया, ऐसे कुछ कर दिया. Then Nasir turns his head and says, गधा, घोड़ों की शिकायत.
Damn interesting.
और घोड़े का जो खेल है ये बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है. ऐसे ही अमोल का एक फिल्म है, वो नाम भूल रहा हूँ, उसमें घोड़े के ऊपर डायलॉग है, हमारा घोड़ा चलता ही नहीं है. वो जो रिवॉल्वर के ऊपर डायलॉग है उसके अंदर, फिल्म है उसकी, क्या बोलते हैं, विशाल भारद्वाज की. उसमें एक बड़ा सीन है इंटरेस्टिंग घोड़े को लेके. जो रिवॉल्वर के अंदर जो ट्रिगर होता है उसमें एक सिचुएशन है, उसमें भी उस शब्द को इस्तेमाल किया उन्होंने, घोड़ा. घोड़ा, हमारे धंधे में तो घोड़ा चलता ही नहीं है. It's something like that. So dialogue means something which is interesting.
So metaphor, similes, ये सब जो चीजें हैं ना, ये tools को use करके what you, so nice. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, sir.
I think it's a great input, Durgeshwari. You know, the Mechur Masala example that he's just said. So maybe for all of us here, everybody I guess is listening to our conversation. So yeah, use such elements, you know, in your write-ups. Okay. They will make your write-ups interesting, and for the examiner to be like hooked onto your, you know. And this is what I mean when I say you have to play it very smart. So nice.
Okay.
हमारे एक दोस्त थे फिल्म क्रिटिक्स. He was the first film critic जो मैंने एक MCQ में भी क्वेश्चन रखा हुआ है, कभी भी पूछा जा सकता है, because फर्स्ट पूछा जाता है FTI के अंदर. फर्स्ट फिल्म कौन सी थी, फर्स्ट सिनेमास्कोप कौन सा था, फर्स्ट फलाना कौन. तो फर्स्ट क्रिटिक्स इन दिस कंट्री who got the national award of writing in cinema in Hindi language. His name is Brijeshwar Madan. So Madan साहब का एक आर्टिकल है जिसमें उन्होंने बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग हेडिंग है उसका. वो हेडिंग क्या है कि बोले तो बहुत, कुछ कहिए भी.
Very nice.
Okay.
Very nice.
And there is nothing to say. And how I got introduced to him, it's a very interesting anecdote. I'll just narrate briefly in a minute. We came out from the film festival in Delhi, and I was with a friend of mine who happens to knew Madan Saab. So we watched the Amol Palekar's film called one film which I don't remember immediately the name. I'll tell you the name. Bangarwadi. I think it was a Bangarwadi. So we came out, and it was an interesting film, nice film. I liked it at least, and but somehow Madan Saab didn't like it. So we came out, and he introduced me to him, and we were chatting. So I asked him, now this is a very important dialogue. Listen to it carefully. I asked him, how's the film? As a film by Amol Palekar, whom he also liked as a filmmaker. But this particular film he did not like. So what was his answer? Can you imagine? His answer was, he was chewing some tobacco all the time, so he will speak very less, so he will spit in the corner once, and then he said, now listen to it carefully. That was the first sentence I heard from his mouth. And sentence was, first we do 12th, then we are in high school, when we do 12th, then we do graduation, then we do our post-graduation. This is a sequence. So he said, some people do BA after doing MA.
Okay.
So he gave him a regard also. He's a master. He has done the master. But now he is doing BA. Means this work is a deteriorated work. So he said some people do BA after doing MA.
Very smart. क्या नाम बताया सर? क्या मदान?
Brijeshwar Madan.
And he's from FTI.
He's no more now. He wrote the whole Filmi Kaliyan magazine for 20 years. Technically, he was the one. It was the Diwan Sahab, Mr. Diwan, who was the editor, and he was the employee. So he was the one person who wrote the entire magazine for 20 years. Imagine. Okay, continue. Pragya Pratima Pradhan.
Hello, sir.
Okay, yeah.
Pana Sankranti is celebrated as Odia New Year, also known as Mahavisuva Sankranti and Pana Sankranti. This typically occurs 13th or 14th April or Chaitra according to Odia calendar. This festival has many religious and folk activities. Ghantapatua Nacha, Dando Natta, Jhamu Jatra are most attractive events during this festival. Ghantapatua Nacha, performed by Ghantapatuas, are a group of people who are the servants of goddess. What attracts most is their get-up. They wear colorful dresses, skirts and jackets. Dancers wear high heels around 1 feet wooden shoes by carrying their goddess on head. Dancers uses their hand gestures and keeps walking. Their songs are basically prayers offering to goddess inspired from Ramayana, Mahabharata and Purana. Mostly they use ghanta and mahuri. Peoples who keep manasika or offer prayers for a specific fulfillment. They live in a pious manner through the month. They don't eat non-veg and having only one meal. On the day of Pana Sankranti, devotee works in fire. This is named as Jhamu Jatra. This is also a part of Dando Natta. Dando, which means punishment, devotees punish themselves by working in fire and piercing their body to attain their wish. This festival is very important as it is celebrated as the start of the year. New calendar or Panjika is in Odia is followed. So there is a freshness and hope in this festival.
Okay. Prangya, it's nice, but just one point here. Could you just read out the question once, ek bar?
The festivities in terms of visual image of various elements of the folk festival and range of collective emotions expressed through the festival. But do you think it is different from other festivals?
Yes. So the last bit, why do you think it is different from other similar festivals? उसका यहाँ पे जिक्र नहीं है. See that? It's a
Sir, actually, last point, जो है, this festival is very important as it is celebrated as the start of the year. New calendar or Panjika in Odia is followed. So there is a freshness and hope in this festival.
No. What is the question? Why do you think it is different from other similar festivals? So there are so many other festivals which are like which celebrate the New Year's, right? So that is not what the question is intending at. How is it different from similar other festivals? So is there any other festival around the world or around Odisha or around the neighboring states which celebrate similar things, similar festivals, and then how it
Yes,
is
sir.
different? So that is where you should have pointed your answers to. See that? So a comparison wala ek
जी
element
sir,
hai
जी
yahan
sir.
pe. Okay? So you have to be very careful ki what
sir.
exactly is the question asking. Otherwise all the hard work may go for a toss. You see that? You have to be very, very careful in channelizing your answer and phrasing your answer the way it is needed. नहीं तो फिर वो पूरा ना पूरा क्योंकि उसका मुद्दा ही बदल गया फिर ना. So be careful with that. So I'm glad you've taken a festival like whatever it is, Pan Sankranti, and let's say you do not know about a similar festival. Let's say it's quite possible you do not know. So it's I don't think it will be wrong if you mention that. Although it is a unique festival, it's a grand festival, whatever, and a very unique one, and I do not remember or recall of a similar festival happening around. If towards answering the exact question, you see that? Am I audible? Okay, yeah. So yeah, that's.
जी sir, जी sir. जी
So
sir.
मेरे को तो वही खटका. Otherwise, it's nice, very very visual, very oral and point wise written. So it's a. I don't see any other. So what they have asked is what you have mentioned, except for the last question, which is missing, the last part of the question.
जी sir. थोड़ा specific होना चाहिए था. I mean,
Specific नहीं,
बिहू
specific
असम
तो
का
है.
जो है वो भी एक.
Sorry.
नहीं मैं सर मेरा आंसर और थोड़ा सर मैं ये बोल रही थी कि मेरा आंसर थोड़ा ज्यादा स्पेसिफिक होना चाहिए था. इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट जैसे मैंने लिखा है.
नहीं, I think
दूसरे फेस्टिवल से कैसे.
I think Prangya, you did not my point. My point is not that. तूने अच्छा स्पेसिफिक ही लिखा है. इससे ज्यादा स्पेसिफिक क्या कर सकते हो 300 वर्ड में ना. 300 वर्ड भी नहीं, एक्चुअली 150 वर्ड, बिकॉज 300 वर्ड का सेकंड पार्ट 150 वर्ड का सेकंड पार्ट रहेगा, राइट. The second part is something that you have actually not answered if you see carefully. Second part of the question
जी
is,
sir.
why do you think it is different from other similar festivals? Now, what you have mentioned in the point number 3, this festival is a very important festival. That is a characteristic of this festival. That actually becomes the part of the first part of the question, right? Specificities of the festival. That is not really answering your second part of the question. Are you getting my point?
जी sir.
तो वो
जी
थोड़ा
sir,
सा,
जी sir, exactly.
तो वो तुमको थोड़ा केयरफुल रहना होगा कि भैया, हाउ डू यू फ्रेज योर आंसर्स इन अ वे दैट the reader gets to know precisely which part are you answering, you know, which part of the
Yes,
question
sir.
are you answering right now.
So right now we'll break for 10 minutes. It's 6:55. So 7:05 we'll be back. Okay, Pragya, we'll start with the 7:05 with you again. Okay.
जी
Okay.
sir, जी
Okay.
sir.
Okay, great. Okay, so you want me to stay back, Naresh, sir,
No,
or
just
it's a break for all of us?
and come back. You can
Okay.
switch off your video and come back.
Okay, cool.